welcome to my Highland homestead. Today I'm going to be talking about potatoes. So I looked for one to grow this year and I found one called Nicola. These are supposed to be ideal for growing in containers, which I intend to do. And later on in the year, when we plant them up, I'll show you, I'm going to try 3 different containers. What we're going to do now is chit them. And the reason we do that is because it gives them a head start. It helps them to grow away quicker. When you chit them, actually these little fellas are having a good go already. Can you see these things? These are the eyes of the potatoes. This is what I was talking about. I wanted to picture them again in case you couldn't see properly on the long shot. These ones are growing lovely at the moment, but they just need to be about 2.5–3 centimetres tall, and then that'll be ideal. So what we do to chip them basically is to stand them with the rose end up, and we just get something like an egg carton. I've already written in this the date and the name, and we just simply stand them up like that. And then in a few weeks, if the weather's warmed up enough, we'll plant them out in these different containers that I'm going to show you. And we'll do an experiment and see how they go. And hopefully we'll end up with some lovely Nicola potatoes. And we can see how many we grow from each pot. So that's basically it. You leave them somewhere light. If you put them into darker cupboard, these things will grow really long and straggly. You don't want that. You want them really nice, firm, and as I say, about 2.5–3 centimetres long. So just put them away. Don't forget them, keep checking them, and they'll be super later on in the year. Thanks ever so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of my videos. Bye!